How old are you?
I'm 18 years.
You're 18 years.
Yes.
Okay, well, when did you turn 18?
I turned 18 June 26th.
So I see tattoo. You got tattoo.
Yeah.
How many tattoos do you have?
I have 4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay, where are they?
One man, lap, and my tummy with. Yeah.
Okay, so what inspired your tattoo?
Normally, I love the tattoo. That is why I draw it.
Okay, so your parents no worry. Say, why you draw tattoo?
At the first, they shout at me, but they stopped because I don't used to stay with them.
Okay, you don't stay with your parents?
Yeah.
Okay, who do you stay with?
I stay alone.
Alone?
Yeah.
At 18? At what age you start staying alone?
Just at 17 years. 17
years?
Yeah.
You started staying alone?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the hardest thing about staying alone?
House rent, feeding money, all these things.
Okay. So how do you pay your house rent?
Through my boyfriend.
Okay, you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
How much is the highest amount where your guy don't give you?
1M.
1 million naira?
Yeah.
Your boyfriend don't give you 1 million naira?
Yeah.
Okay, the house where they stay, how much do they pay?
120.
120?
Yeah.
Okay, the 1 million where your guy give you, what do you use and do?
It's just for this thing, what they call it, for my upkeep money, but I didn't use it to do anything. I used it to start up a business, like baking of a thing and.
Okay. That what you use the money to?
Yeah.
Okay, you bake.
Yes.
At what age do you learn the baking?
17 years.
Okay, but your parents is not angry that you left home at 17 and start living alone?
No, they're not angry.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Are you the only child?
No, I'm the second daughter of my parents.
Okay, how many are you in your family?
We are 3 girls, 1 boy.
Okay. So, how much is the highest amount where you don't give your parents?
90K.
90K?
Yeah.
Did I ask you where you got the money from?
They now have a boyfriend.
Okay, they know you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Okay, at what age you start keeping boyfriend?
At 16 years.
At 16? Okay, at 16, do your parents know that, yes, you have a boyfriend?
Although I hide it for them, but 17, I decided to open up this secret.
Having a boyfriend at 16, is it your choice or his friends that influenced you to have a boyfriend at 16?
Although they didn't, it's not any about my friends or any other thing. It's just like I just choose to have a boyfriend then.
Which phone is this?
13 Pro.
13 Pro. Who got it for you?
My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend got it for you?
Yes.
Are you serious? How old is your boyfriend?
My boyfriend is just like, he's like 26, I'll be 27.
Are you serious?
Yes.
So are you there 18? Your boyfriend is 26. You know the fear say this guy too big past you.
Although he's not like someone he just has a small body. He's not too like someone like they'll be reasoning as someone that who is 20 something years. They'll be not like seeing him as 17, 19, all this kind of thing. Just like just have small body.
Okay, so if you catch your boyfriend cheating on you, what would you do?
I won't do anything.
You forgive him?
I'll forgive him now.
What is the highest thing? What this guy don't do for you?
The highest thing he don't do for me. Don't put me for work. Rent house for me. He still feed my family sometimes.
No.
Then
You see they say your family money?
yes, then my school things, now in the further medication.
What is the highest amount where your boyfriend don't give your family?
I don't know, you don't pass, so you know, I don't feel even to say you don't reach, you don't pass 1M self, I don't fit
You
talk.
don't pass 1 million?
Yes.
Your parents don't have issues with you dating the guy, right?
No, they don't have issues.
Me, I don't have issues with it too. As far as the parents don't have issues, me, I don't have. I don't have issues. Oh my God, you don't get to. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate your time.
No problem.
But you have to be focused on your education, okay?
Normally.
Try and be a good girl because you are still young. All right.
Okay, man.
All right.